Hey guys, so today I'm making salmon carpaccio. So first I'm gonna cut some onions. So I'm just using half an onion. Okay. Just chop finely. And I have some water here, so I'm gonna put the onions inside for around 5 minutes. So onions are usually spicy, but if you put it in water, you can get rid of some of the spiciness. Okay. And now I'm gonna start making the sauce. So I have olive oil. I put 1.5 tablespoons inside here, just like that. And then I'm gonna put some salt. Pepper, and I have fresh lemon. I'm gonna squeeze it in. Okay, I'm gonna mix this. Okay, I'll leave that there and I'm gonna start cutting this salmon. I'm gonna start cutting this. Okay. This, not too thick. Ready? Just like that. Okay, the onions are ready. And I'm gonna put the onions in with the sauce. Now I'm gonna start decorating the plate. So I have salmon. I'm gonna start lining them up. Looking good. And I have the onions. I'm gonna put them on top. Dressing over the other fish, and I have some dill, so I'm gonna sprinkle dill on top. Okay, it's ready! So if you want to know what sake I paired it with and learn about the sake, just check out the links in the description section. Enjoy! Arigato!